Hello everyone, this is Shubham from gossipfunda, and today I'm here to elaborate or rather teach you how to install YouTube in your PC or Windows 10 or any laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. So we need to open Google first and click on the YouTube icon that is present there. Let's go for it. As you can see, it's opening. It's taking some time. As you can see, the YouTube page has opened, and now we have that is the official YouTube page. Now the next step is click on the three dot bar beside the sign in icon, and there you can see install YouTube on the more tools above more tools, and now it is showing install the application, so I will install the application. As you can see, it opens a separate app for YouTube. And now let's go back to the screen, and as you can see, the YouTube app is installed on my PC Windows 10. Now you don't need to go to Google and search for YouTube icon. Now you can directly click on this icon and directly jump into YouTube and watch your favorite videos. Now the other alternative is visit to the Microsoft Store and search for YouTube in the search bar. And I did install it from there because it was showing some error regarding like sign in or something. There is the third icon, you have to install that, like ignore the other ones. And like when I was opening, it was like, first of all, it was very slow progress, and when I was like opening the YouTube app from this one, it was showing a sign in warning and something else that is not supported and other blah blah stuffs. So I decided to go to Google Chrome and install it from there onwards, and that was the easy process too. So as you can see, I've been like was trying to install it from Microsoft Store, and progress was slow, plus there was showing a warning where to choose from what you want to store and this that and other functions. Plus there is another alternative, like you can go to uTorrent or any other torrent app and install the hacked version of YouTube where you can watch some paid videos in a free way or something else, but I won't recommend cause the like viruses or any type of APK can harm your device. So that's it for today, guys. Hope this tutorial helped you a lot. Do like, comment, share it to your friends, and do subscribe to Gossip Funda for these further technical updates. Don't forget to put down your queries in the comment section, and I've added link in the description area for the other videos too. Till then, stay happy, stay safe, goodbye, and yes, do subscribe to Gossip Funda.